Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase customer experience with Zendesk, detailed guide step by step. To enhance customer experience with Zendesk, begin by understanding your customer needs. Conduct surveys and gather feedback to determine key pain points. Define your customer personas based on demographic and behavioral data. Next, customize your Zendesk interface to align with your brand. This ensures a consistent voice across all customer touchpoints. Set up automated responses for common inquiries to reduce wait times. Utilize Zendesk's ticketing system to efficiently manage support requests. Prioritize tickets based on urgency and customer needs. Assign tickets to appropriate team members for swift resolution. Integrate Zendesk with other tools your team uses for seamless communication. This might include CRM systems, email marketing tools, or chat applications. Consider using Zendesk Chat for real-time customer support. This allows immediate engagement with visitors, enhancing their experience. Use analytics tools within Zendesk to monitor customer interactions. Track metrics like response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction scores. Regularly review these analytics to identify trends and areas for improvement. Implement feedback loops by following up with customers' post-support engagement. Encourage customers to share their experiences to gather insights. Utilize Zendesk's knowledge base to create self-service options. This empowers customers to find answers without needing direct assistance. Train your support staff on the use of Zendesk tools and features. Well-informed agents can provide better support, enhancing customer satisfaction. Create a continuous improvement strategy for your support processes. This ensures that your customer service adapts and evolves over time. Engage stakeholders to discuss customer feedback and potential changes. Foster a customer-centric culture in your organization. Celebrate successes and learn from challenges to drive improvement. By following these steps, you can significantly increase customer experience using Zendesk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.